Valencia Sky, Naples, July 28, 2026. Construction Update. Welcome to today's construction update from Valencia Sky in beautiful Naples, Florida. We're beginning with a drone flyover to give you a bird's-eye view of the latest progress across this exciting 55-plus lifestyle community. With each passing week, you can see new homes taking shape, additional infrastructure being completed, and the neighborhood continuing to grow. As we transition to our drive-through tour, you'll get an even closer look at the homes, streets, and the impressive progress throughout the community. Valencia Sky is quickly becoming one of Naples' premier active adult destinations, offering modern home designs and a resort-inspired lifestyle. When completed, residents will enjoy outstanding amenities, including a spectacular clubhouse, resort-style pool, fitness center, pickleball and tennis courts, bocce, social gathering spaces, and a full calendar of activities designed for an active Florida lifestyle. Located in one of Naples' most desirable areas, Valencia Sky also offers convenient access to beautiful Gulf beaches, championship golf, shopping, dining, healthcare, and everything that makes Southwest Florida such an exceptional place to live. Thank you for watching today's July 28, 2026 construction update. If you're considering purchasing a home in Valencia Sky, or if you're planning to sell your current home in the community in the future, Southwest Coast Realty is here to help with knowledgeable local representation throughout the buying or selling process. For more information, contact Southwest Coast Realty at 239-229-9926, and don't forget to subscribe for future community updates from around Naples and Southwest Florida. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next